Well, hello and welcome to our continuing series on TrueSite Operations Management. I'm Scott Penn, Principal Solutions Engineer at BMC. In this edition, we continue in a series of application visibility installation. This is a 5-part series on getting and installing the right version of Java, getting the application visibility agent downloaded from our support site, installing WebLogic, which we'll use as the main platform for the testing, then installing the Java agent, and then tuning it to get data. In this version, we're going to go ahead and get the application visibility agent downloaded from the support site. Log on to the customer support site for BMC, and you'll go to the EPD, the Electronic Product Distribution Center. And if your system is like mine, I have a lot of options in my list, and it can be very confusing as to which one to choose. So I'd recommend you go to the filter products and type in TrueSite. That will limit the list to the available TrueSite options. And if you look down the list, you'll find that TrueSite AppVisibility Agent is located near the top. That will be the download for our Java agent. Get the right version. Our latest is 10.5, so we'll select that. Then I'll go down and I'll select the Windows version for Java installation. Then I can go down and I can choose whether to download this from FTP, or I can use the download manager that's located in the console. Once I get the download sent to my machine, I can then decompress it into a directory and then execute the setup file as administrator. I'll go ahead and follow the instructions that it provides to me in the installation process. First question it asks is, where do you want to install the software? So I'll say /BMC. And then it wants me to create a name for this machine, and I'm just going to use the default machine name that's given as the host. Then enter the application visibility portal IP address or the name. I'll go ahead and put in my application visibility portal. And then the port, default 8100 is fine. And it asks if you want to set up a proxy to accept the connections for the agent. And my agents are all localized inside my lab. And for our testing with WebLogic, we'll be doing that same thing. So leave those as default. Verify the list. And then type in yes to continue. And hit enter. After it installs, you'll see at the bottom of the screen, it dumps out a description of the next steps. Remember this, I'd recommend you copy this into a file and place it someplace, because as soon as you hit enter, it will disappear from the screen. There is a log file that's created after the installation that contains that same information. But again, since many people delete the installation directory, it's best to copy this information down someplace else where you can retrieve it later on. We'll need this for instrumenting the actual agent in WebLogic. Our next step is to go ahead and get the WebLogic installation and download it and install it. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.